Good evening, students. Welcome to one more session of your WOC. This is your Vani ma'am standing in front of you. So once again, hello, good evening. Vanakkam, Namaskaram, Shastriya Adabarsi. To all the students who are there on this WOC platform, I feel that immense pleasure talking to you all always. So today Vani ma'am suddenly did a video. What is the reason? There are two good news for you students. Two, not one, double good news. What is that? So the first good news is, already board has declared your exams are going to start from May 4th, isn't it? Right. If I have to count, almost 100 days are only left for your board examination, correct? Plus or minus. So these 100 days is what is a crucial point in your life. You have been studying for the whole year, sitting at home, attending online classes, and now you're going to your schools and attending the school practical exams. So what I thought is, I'll be doing perfectly 400 expected questions for your 2021 board exams. Ma'am, 400 in 100 days? Yes. There are two steps in this. What is that, students? Step number one would be, I would be sending every day two questions, that is 200 questions for 100 days with the duration of 10 to 12 minutes maximum. I'll be picking up most expected questions from tomorrow. It will be published between 5 o'clock to 6 p.m. if I have to take around 5:30 to 6 p.m. And each question, whatever I send, two questions would be the most important from each concept. Whether it is your physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, I'll be covering the most expected 200 question and answers. I'll be giving you the question. I'll be giving you the answer also, in what way you have to write, so that you should get that full mark, isn't it? So note this one, students, 200 questions in 100 days starting from tomorrow, and that too question and answer. Question and answer. Now question arises, ma'am, only two questions, why can't you send more and more? See students, our brain retention time is maximum, if I have to tell you, if you have to absorb it 100%, not more than 10 minutes, students. Yes, if you want to absorb the content, because we don't have time to revise and re-revise, isn't it? 100 days, crucial time in my life. So your life also, those 10 minutes or 12 minutes, two questions, immediately buy one notebook today. Keep noting those questions every day along with me. Everything would be most expected questions only for 2021 board. That is the first good news. I think you got my point, students. Two questions, 100 days, will be published every day between 5:30 to 6 p.m. Note it. Now, what is the second good news, ma'am? Yes. See students, I always ask you, ma'am, I always give you as my first preference. I keep telling students, what should I publish next? What should I send next? So, I always remember, you all told me to send me MCQ questions and case beat questions, correct? So, you all know I am a verified educator at Unacademy CBSE, grade 11 and 12. I'll be doing almost 200 MCQ questions, whether it is from physical, inorganic or organic, the most expected MCQ questions from each concept of your NCERT. I'll be doing those parallelly. I'll be sending them also. So two things. First, I would be sending the questions from my channel. Second, from the Unacademy CBSE grade 11 and 12, I'll be sending there also, and that link would be sent in the community tab. So what is the double dhamaka now? 200 question answers also will be going on. 200 MCQs. In that MCQ series, case beat questions also will be included. Assertion reasoning questions also will be included. So nothing to worry, students. As I promised, Vani ma'am is always with you all. So I felt I have to share it. I could not stop myself. So immediately I got, just click this video and send it to you all. Once again, I'm repeating, double dhamaka, 400 questions in 100 days. One from WOC from Vani ma'am, every day between 5:30 to 6 p.m. Second, I'll be sending or doing a video for Unacademy CBSE grade 11 and 12 there also. Those things, that link will be shared in the community tab. Please note it. Right, students? I wish and I expect you all to watch it. Take the advantage and score that 70 out of 70. And third good news also I have to tell you, students. You have your board practical examinations in the month of March, isn't it? So March 1st is your practical exam starting. So in the month of February, I'll be sending volumetric analysis. I'll be taking time because hardly I get time, but I'll find time for you all. Volumetric analysis and content based experiment also I'll be doing. Salt analysis, yes, it's already there. That also I'll be giving you tips how to do it. So in the month of February, a practical video festival we will celebrate. Right, not February, sorry, in the month of March. So in the month of March, practicals would be done. Now, along with me, today now immediately go to the shop, buy one notebook and write WOC by Vani ma'am. 400 questions in 100 days. Yes, students. So I request you, all of you, to share this news to all your friends. The students who can't afford online, or the students who can't just, go to or pay some fees or something, they can always get. And this series also is useful for those students who have not touched the book till now, because you'd be waiting for last moment to study. Some students, not everybody, but indirectly if I have to tell you, maybe those students also who are waiting for the last moment, they'll have very sharp brain students. You never know. In 2 months they will get good marks. That should not happen basically, but this series will be helpful for those students also who are going to study in the last moment. Yes, students, I think I am clear. From my side, I am clear. I want your support. I want you to share. And most important, I want you to watch every day. Please don't suddenly skip it off, students. Today I have seen, I'll watch it some other day. No. A student who knows the value of time, the student who knows or who's clear about the target will always come up in life. Remember, 2 things, time and target. What did Abdul Kalam say? Always dream big. If you dream high or big, automatically you will start working. After you work, you will achieve that. One fine day you complete your grade 12 and go out to do your JEE or NEET, then please send me a message, send me a comment, ma'am, I have studied following your guidelines. Yes, students, so I am there with you. So I'll be publishing the questions. Please watch it, share it. Thank you so much. Take care all of you. Bye-bye.